I'm slightly waking up again, so today we will be going through the car wash finally. And you're gonna see it's freaking expensive to wash your freaking bike unless you have like a bucket and a mop for this wet. McDonald's sounds good, but I always kind of get sick from McDonald's. What about you guys? Like if I eat the deluxe breakfast in particular and a side of orange juice, I get really sick, like extremely groggy and tired for like 3 hours. And I don't want to do anything after I eat that. Motor power. Ignite. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Oh, it's merging. I didn't know that. My bad. Oh my god, we're almost there. 9 more minutes. 4 more minutes. 7 more minutes. I think we're pretty much almost there, right? So we could leave this thing on. Ooh, that breeze feels good. It's been kind of hot, but we still don't have like the heat wave here. But maybe it's because I've been staying more in like the coastal areas like Huntington, Costa Mesa. Have you guys been experiencing like a crazy heat wave wherever you guys are watching from? Let me know, please. I'm always curious. Oh, I wonder what they're doing. Is it just storage for cars that don't get sold because they're too expensive? It's like, yeah, let me pollute up all your fucking land because you don't want to buy these fucking cars. Instead of just making them hella cheap and put them to use. Let's just cover up your fucking land. I'd be so fucking annoyed if I went to the wrong place. God damn it, it's not the right one. I just wasted all this time. Oh, it is the right one. See, it's super fucking weird. It's all like these are the carports. Yeah. Okay. Okay, man. All right. Let's see if I fuck up my bike. Okay. I'm wondering if I should do the whole thing, or if I should just show you little bits and pieces. Make sure you don't put your kickstand down that. We won't have a good time. $3 for 4 minutes. It's gonna take me at least 40. What's 40 times 4 minutes and $3? So I don't know. Oh my god! I don't have my card. I'm so pissed. And the fucking tap to pay isn't working. Oh my god. Oh, I need to get my friend's fucking card back. Okay, first steps first. Prisoku. Right? It should lift up my visor too. Is it this one? I'm supposed to soak this bitch with this? Come on. Or is it somewhere else? No, it's not that. Instructions. Pre-soak. And then tire and wheel thingamabobber. Okay. Dude, this is a ripoff. It's already been a minute and she ain't complying with me. Huh. Should I say something? That looks like... There you go. Okay. Do you do from top to bottom or what? Well, okay, I don't think it says. I just focus on some problem areas, like these little fucking spiders like to hide in these little grooves. So I make sure I do a lot of pre-soaking at angles there. And then these little giant gaping holes. Yeah. And right here, there's a lot of cobwebs. I don't care about the size split because I'm going to be, I have my new one in my backpack. I just haven't gone around to putting it on. If I get pulled over, I'm going to have that officer show me how to put it on. I'm usually pretty clean with my butt, so Don't need too much of that. And then this was dirty. Whole console, that. Okay. Almost done. Oh wow, this soap works. I see it all dissolving. Okay. Oh my god, it's already been $5. Now, wheel and tire cleaner. I don't even know if I should do that. Should I? I mean, it's not really gonna do anything, but any bit helps to get off some of that like brake shit. Ugh. Okay. One more side. Okay. If you're not supposed to do that, don't. I'm not even gonna scrub it, to be honest. I think I have to do that manually. Alright. High pressure soap. Alright. That's why I love this thing. Whatever was hiding in there, she ain't gonna be living much longer. And yes, I have seen plenty of spiders hiding in there. One crawled down my frickin' leg, or up my leg rather. That will make me crash, so this is critical for me. It needs to be clean. I should have taken that sticker off when it was still fresh. Come on, get out of here, poop. It's gone. Okay. And then... oh, that didn't come off too well. That's as much as I try with that one. High pressure rinse. Look how much better that looks. Wow. This thing was gray. Let's see if this bitch wants to start anymore after this. And then wax. Turn selector to spot free rinse. Rinse tire. Oh no. Select wax. Apply wax to vehicle. Okay. Not the tires, right? How do I know it's applying it? So I guess I'm assuming just like the shiny parts, huh? What, like, I bought $10. Spot free rinse. Oh, what happened? Oh. I already forgot what I already went through. So I guess I'm gonna go through it one more time. Air dry. Cool. That's gonna hurt the most. So this is cool. They have like a little thing for drying. See? Just push it right up against it. And I think it's kind of warm air, if I'm right. And this thing is dope. Obviously don't like touch your bike with it or avoid it. I just did. But sick, huh? And you don't have to get it all the way. Just if you don't have like a microfiber or something. All the places that are gonna get like way streaky. I mean, it doesn't do like a perfect job, but it does a pretty good job. $20. Yikes. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. It looks amazing. And I feel pretty good that I don't have to do the chain maintenance right after this wash. So yeah, if you're in a hurry and you have 20 bucks or whatever, you want to dry it and everything, and you don't have any microfiber towels, really recommend this place, or any similar places. This one just in particular has an air chamois. Sick, huh? Alright, well, I'll send you the location in the description. Please comment, like, and please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And until next time, bye-bye.